Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create and format Instagram carousel using Canva. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, of course, you have to open your Canva application on your mobile phone or your PC or laptop. Then you have to create new design. Click on this plus button and then you can customize the size. Click on custom size and you have to enter the size. 30 to 40, and then for the height you can enter 1080. Okay, then just click on create new design and hold on, wait until the design has been created. Okay, now it's done and we're going to add grid line to this design. You can go to the setting, click on the three dots and click on settings, and you can click on add guides. Okay, and here you can select the custom guides, and for the column you can enter a 3 column. For the gap you can enter 0, and for the margin you can add 0 as well. Then you can click on done, and as you can see that my layout has been divided into 3 parts, and I'm going to change the color of each part. We can add shape first. Go to element and then you can search for the square element, this one. Okay, and I'm just going to zoom out like this and fit the size. Right. Okay, I'm going to zoom in like this, guys. All right, and I'm going to duplicate it. Okay, and I'm going to change the color. Just click on the shape and change the color. I'm going to use this color and this one and this one as well. Okay, then after you change the color, you will be able to add it this format as you like. You can use it for your Instagram carousel. Alright guys, and that's how we can create and format Instagram carousel using Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.